another live. So tonight we are going to play some games, and tonight games is mathematical or mathematics. I think mathematics sounds better, guys. If you hear any rumbling, there's rain in the making, so there's lightning and thunder on the outside. So yes, guys, welcome back to another live. We are doing some maths game. Reminder here, I'm getting ready for bed, but I got to share this little game with you guys. So welcome to the live, and guys, please remember to thumbs up the live. Your girl need it. So when you come in, thumbs up the live, participate as much as possible. I really appreciate it if you do, because your girl needed it. Welcome to the one person that is here. I saw one person. Thank you for the thumbs up. And let's get into the game. Let's play the game because we have one person here. Hi Malachi, welcome. Your girl is getting back into her rhythm. So here is the first maths question for you guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, 5 potato plants are in a row. 6 corn plants are in the same row. 5 potato plants are in a row, and 6 corn plants are in the same row. How many more corn plants are there than the potato plants? That one is easy. Welcome to the second person. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and try this maths question to see if you can get it. Hi Joyful Julie, good night. Joyful Julie says 1. You're correct. Thank you for the thumbs up. 1 is correct. Very nice. Very nice. I like that. My lighting is not so good. Malachi, Joyful Julie is saying hello. And that question is really spot on. 1 is correct. Let's get to the next one. Okay, the next one says, let's get into it. Oh, come on, I have you guys lined up. They want to know. So, what is the value of... Okay, so look at the number 195 and tell me the value of 9. Tell me the value of 9. Malika, you think you have that? Joyful Julie says 10. I don't know maths, Alice. Okay, Joyful Julie, I understand. I'm gonna give Malachi a chance to see if he comes up with the right answer. You said 10. And I am going to make sure that my answer is correct. The value of 9. I think Joyful Julie is correct. Malachi, what do you come up with? What do you think? Guys, I'm eating some cucumber, late night snack. Okay, Joyful Julie, you are correct. The answer is tens. Now here's another trick question. This one, when I first look at it, it kind of got me, and then I just rethink the question, and then I realized that it is tricky, but if you view it the right way, Joyful Julie said she thinks she's the only one here. Malika just says I'm here. Malika, you said SM, but I know you're saying I'm here. Are you busy, Malachi? Are you at work? Are you at home? You doing something? Malachi said he's outside. Okay. So he's outside. I think it's two of you are here. Alright, here's the next question. If one cat has one nose and four legs, so two cats have two noses and 8 legs. How many cats are there if there are 16 legs and 4 noses? Malachi said 4. Joyful Julie said 4. You both are correct. It is 4. So two cats is equivalent to 8 legs, because one cat has 4 legs, right? So if it's 16 legs, it's 4 cats. So it at first it was so tricky, but then I said, oh, I have a cat outside, so I know exactly how to do this. So I'm not good at maths, don't get me wrong, but it was very tricky. All right, let's try again. Let's try again one more time. All right, come on, they're waiting, they're waiting. What is the place value of 8 if the number is 286? If the number is 286, what is the place value of 8? Joyful Julie said tens. Malachi says 100. All right, let me get my notes. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right. Yes, Joyful Julie, you are correct. Welcome to the third person. It would be very appreciative if you give me a thumbs up. We are playing some math squids. If you are good at maths, you can participate as well. What is 46 rounded off to the nearest 10? If 46 is rounded off to the nearest 10, what it is? Okay. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Beneath distract me a little bit. Hold on. Joyful Julie said 50. Yes, Joyful Julie. All right. You're good at maths. You're good at maths. You're very good at it. All right. Let's try this again. Okay. Listen to these numbers and tell me which set of numbers is consist of odd numbers. Now I have 2, 4, 6, I have 3, 5, 7, I have 2, 3, 5, and I have 3, 4, 7. So you can categorize them as A, B, C, D. Let me repeat it again. A is 2, 4, 6, and B is 3, 5, 7, and C is 2, 3, 5, and D is 3, 4, 7. Which set of these numbers have odd numbers? Yes, Joyful Julie, and yes, Malachi. B is correct. So then, you got 14 balls, and half of it is how many balls? 14 balls, as in footballs. Half of it is how many balls? Give me 2 minutes. $14 balls, half of it is how many? What is half of 14 balls? Joyful Julie says 7. Malachi says 8. Let me look at my answer sheet and see which one of you is correct. My answer sheet says Joyful Julie is correct, 7. Malachi, I'm so sorry, 8 is wrong. Let's try again. So, do you know anything about expanded numbers? Do you guys know anything about expanded numbers? If you were to do expanded numbers, what is the expanding form of 2, 3, and 5? Two, 3, and 5. Okay, let's see. That would be 235. What is the expanded number for that? If you're supposed to do that kind of maths. Joyful Julie, you said you're not good at it, but I think you're acing it. I think you're doing a very good job. Joyful Julie said pass. Malachi says 200 plus 30 plus 5. Let me check my answer sheet. Malika, you sounds like you go to school for and did well in math. I didn't. All right, let's see. My answer sheet says, Malika, you are correct. That's very good. You're gonna tell me how you do that. I don't know. Oh, so it is written 235. Okay, so 200 plus 30 plus 5. Okay. All right. I give you that. Very good. Oh, wow. This is challenging. I'm not gonna know. Okay, so what is the value of 87 minus 42? Does that sound good? The value of 87 minus 42. The value of 87 minus 42. Okay. Let's see what Joyful Julie have. Joyful Julie said 45. Yes, Joyful Julie, you are correct. You're so correct. Very good job. Very good job. All right. Okay. Which is the value of 648 divided by 3? What is the value of 648 divided by 3? What is the value of? You need me? Oops, me and my big hand. Malachi, correct. 216 divided 648 divided by 3. You want to play? Yeah. All right. All right. What is the value of 205 times 3? 205 times 3. Let's see what Joyful Julie said. 216. Yes, Joyful Julie, you are correct. 216 is correct. Joyful Julie, Malachi, Joyful Julie is leading. 650, so correct. That is so correct. You guys are here, but YouTube is telling me that you guys isn't here. There's no one here. But I know it's probably the internet. Let's try again. Okay. See if you can get the value of this particular number. I will tell you what number is underlined. The value of 6,753. What is the value of the 5? What's the value of the 5? I have 6,753. What is the value of the 5? Okay. Joyful Julie said tens. Tens what? Malachi says 5 tens. Yes, Malachi. Let me check my answers. Yes, Malachi 5 tenths. It is tenths, Joyful Julie, but it's half of the points. Half of the points. Alright, let's try again. The grade 3 students of Harrison Primary School read 5,859 books. The grade 4 student read 8,329 books. How many more books did the grade 4 student read than the grade 3 student? Mosquito, go away. Go away. You're not biting me tonight. Okay, let's go again. Malachi said 2,470, and Joyful Julie said you did repeat, so I will pass. You mean I did not repeat? Joyful Julie said I did not repeat, so I will pass. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry about that. I'm very sorry. I should have. But Malachi get it. Malachi said 2,470. Let's try again. Claudia has 32 plums. He gave Christine 14. She gave Christine 14 and then brought 9 more plums. How many plums did Claudia now have? Claudia has 32 plums. He gave Christine 14 and then brought 9 more plums. How many plums did Claudia have? Joyful Julie, you are correct. 27 it is. Let's move on. This is nice. You're good. You're very good. You're good. You're so good. I hope it's not easy because I have to guess most of the answers. And then I have to use the answer sheet. So yeah. So here's a trick one. Which of the following instruments is used to measure a mass? A thermometer, a measuring cup, a balance scale, a clock. Okay, I will repeat. Which of the following instrument is used to measure a mass? A thermometer, a measuring cup, a balance scale, a clock. Sorry about that. Joyful Julie said scale. And Malachi text, let me see. Malachi said balance scale. Both of you are correct. You both are correct. That's what it's used to do the measuring. All right. Pamela is 3 years older than Nicholas. How old will Pamela be when Nicholas is 8 years old? Pamela is is 3 years older than Nicholas, how old will Pamela be when Nicholas is 8 years old? Both of you are correct. 11 years old. Very nice. You guys know your stuff. You know your stuff. All right, here's another one. It is kind of like you have to do some what takeaways. I think add and takeaways, something like that. Let's try. How old is Mark if he was born July 11, 1995? How old is Mark if he was born July 11, 1995? Malachi? Malachi said 13. Joyful Julie, what do you say? If Mark was born on July 11, 1995, how old will he be? I think it would be takeaway. Welcome to the third person. Here's a question for you, the third person that I saw. Give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you. If Mark was born on July 11, 1995, how old is Mark? One person says, Malachi says 13. What do you say? My lighting is not giving right now. Okay, Malachi, I think you're correct. Come on, internet, don't go away. Okay, let's move on. Let's try another one. This time there's 2 dates. So let's see how well you guys understand this one. It says that if Mark was born in 1994 and Marsha was born in 1996, how much older is Mark than Marsha? If Mark was born in 1994 and Marsha was born in 1996, how much older is Mark than Marsha? Thank you for the third thumbs up. You think you know the answer to that quiz? It's a maths quiz. It's okay if you guess a number. If Mark was born in 1994 and Marsha was born in 1996, how much older is Mark than Marsha? Okay. Emma, welcome. Welcome, Emma. All right, Emma said 2. Malachi, what about you? Yes, Emma, you are correct. Mark is 2 years older than Marsha. So you are correct, Emma. Welcome. Mother, here's another one. Hold on. Hi, Emma. Thank you for coming. All right. Mother brought the following items at the store: milk, rope, chicken, egg. Which of the following items would be most likely measured in liter? I think that one is easy. That one is very easy. Mother brought the following item at the store: milk, rope, chicken, egg. Which of the following items would be most likely measured in liters? I'm still eating the cucumber, guys. Hold on. Emma says milk. I think it's milk. Yes, Emma, you are correct. I think it's milk. That one is very easy. All right. What is the most appropriate unit that one can use to measure a pencil? Centimeter, meter, kilometer, hectometer. Which is the most appropriate unit should Paula use to measure the pencil? Come on, guys, play along. Malika said meters. I have a little doubt. Let me check my answer sheet. Malika, I can't tell you the answer yet, but you're warm, not warm enough. Joyful Julie says cm, which means, guys, centimeters. That's okay, I understand. Joyful Julie said she stepped away for a minute. Thank you, I understand. And Emma said centimeter. So Joyful Julie, you are correct. Emma, you are correct. And Malachi said meters, you are not correct. Because the pencil would be centimeter, the length. The length. And true, they didn't use the word length. Here my cat making noise outside. They did not say length, so centimeter would be the perfect one. Or the correct one. Alright. Let's do a couple more. I'm gonna try to make it easy. Let's try this one. If P is equal to 7, what is the value of 67 minus P? Whoa, that's a challenging one. If P is equal to 7, what is the value of 67 minus the letter P? Joyful Julie said she is not a maths brain. Guys, Joyful Julie, pay attention in school. She is a maths brain. You want to know why I say this? Look at her answer. Her answer is so accurate. You are correct. Joyful Julie, you are correct. 60 is the answer. Let's try again. If m is equal to 43, then m plus m is equal what number? If m is equal to 43, then m plus m is equal to what number? Go maths brain, Joyful Julie. You guys have any other you want to share? All right. Emma, Joyful Julie said 83. Emma said 86. Joyful Julie, incorrect. Emma, let me check my thing. Emma, correct. How you get that 86? What do I do? If m is equal 43. Oh. You add them together? I think she add them together to get the 86. I'm gonna have to use my calculator to get that 86. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Joyful Julie. Joyful Julie said she heard wrong. That's why she said 83. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna make emphasis to repeat it more than once so you guys get it. Let's try another one. Let's give Joyful Julie another try because she's really good at maths. All right. If blank is equal to 8, which of the following numbers if let's try this. Let's try it. Maybe you will get it. If you don't, I'll just skip over it and do another one. If blank is equal to 8, the following number sentence is true. Blank minus 5 is equal 12. Blank, no, 20 plus blank is 25. 18 minus blank is 10. And blank plus 6 is 15. Let me repeat that again. If blank 8 is, if blank 8, sorry, come on, focus. If blank is equal to 8, which of the following sentence is true? You can do A, B, C, or D. A said blank minus 5 is 12. B said 20 plus blank is 25. C said 18 minus blank is 10. D said blank plus 6 is equal to 15. Let's see what Joyful Julie said pass. Try again, Joyful Julie. Let me repeat it properly. If blank is equal to 8, which of the following number sentence is true? Blank minus 5 is equal to 12. 20 plus blank is equal to 25. 18 minus blank is equal to 10. Blank plus 6 is equal to 15. Give it a try. You could say A, B, C, or D. Yes, Joyful Julie. See, you just guess the answer, right? Tip off your brain. It's a good thing I didn't accept your pass. You are so good. And the answer is C. So even if you did say C, you would have get it just the same. 10 is correct. Guys, Give Joyful Julie a round of applause. She's doing so good. Joyful Julie, you are doing so good. I have to look at the answer sheet because I'm figuring it out in my head and I still didn't get it. So you did a good job. Let's try another one. If P plus 4 is equal to 12, what is P? If P, as in Paul, is equal to 4, is plus 4, what is P? If P plus 4 is equal to 12, what is P? Okay, Malachi, you want to take back your crown? All right, Malachi. All right. Okay, Gemma. Okay, guys. All right. This is a competition for real. Yes, the answer is 8. 8 is the answer. You all are correct. All 3 of you are correct. Now, here's another one. Which of the following numbers would complete the number sentence? The number sentence says 8 plus blank is equal 3 to, you would say times, but multiply by 5. So 8 plus blank is equal 3 multiplied by 5. Joyful Julie said pass. Emma said 7. Malika, you want to give it a try? If P plus 4 is equal to 12, what is P? Malika said 7. All right. No, that's not the right question I just read. Which of the following numbers would complete the number sentence? 8 plus blank is equal 3 times 5. And Emma and Malachi said 7. I have to go now. Alice, I was enjoying so much. Please enjoy the rest of your night, guys. Alright, thank you, Joyful Julie. And I really appreciate you playing. You did so well. Thank you, thank you. And you really are a maths brain. Thank you very much. Guys, Joyful Julie said she has to go and she did enjoy playing. And she's saying, have a good night to the rest of you. Malachi said, yes. Joyful Julie said, laugh out loud, thanks. Joyful Julie, you did good. You said you weren't a maths brain, but you did good. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. Malachi said, good night, Joyful. Malachi, you need to go over and check her out. I don't know if you still do, but you need to go over. Emma, Joyful Julie, go to her house and check her out, please. Emma said, good night, Joyful. Okay, guys, so it's Malachi and Emma that is here now. Let's continue. So, you guys said 7. So, my answer is 7. That is correct. Should we continue? All right, let's continue. Okay, this one is very tricky. So, hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Welcome to the fourth person. I got 4 thumbs up, 3 persons. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Guys, I'm eating cucumbers and I don't want you guys to feel offended if you saw me chew in my mouth. It's cucumbers. That's the late night snack I eat at night and before bed. So I'm chewing on it. Anyway, so the next question is welcome. I hope you guys enjoy the little game night we got here. So we're not gonna do a whole hour, but we're going to stop pretty soon and pick up where we left off tomorrow, if God spare our life. So the next question is: Tammy have 5 red buttons, 4 blue buttons, and 3 black buttons in his bag. What is the chance of him pulling out a red button? Certain, impossible, quickly, likely, not likely. 5 red button, 4 of them blue, 3 of them black. And he have them in a bag. If he push on his hand and take up, what is the chance of him picking up a red button? So you're gonna give the answer A, B, C, or D. Certain is A, B is impossible, C is equally likely, and D is not likely. What you guys said? Okay. All right, Malachi, what you guys said, do you all agree with Malachi? Okay. Malachi and Emma said A. You both are correct. A is the answer. Okay, one more. Come on, mosquito, go away. Go away. If Tammy went to the store and saw these items for sale, I'm gonna tell you each item. Please make a note of it so you can give me the correct answer. Guys, it's my lighting that's not giving. I'm so sorry about that. My lighting is like, this minute is bright and the next minute is dark. I'm sorry about the contrast that it's giving. But I'm just working with it for now. Alright, so Tammy went to the store and saw these items for sale. He saw a shirt for $105. He saw a shorts for $135. He saw a hat for $85. He saw a football for $95. And he saw a pair of shoes for $160. Now, the question is, how much would Tammy pay for 2 caps and a pair of shorts? How much? If one cap is 85 and the shorts is $135, how much would he pay for 2 caps and a pair of shorts and Tammy wants to buy a pair of sneakers and 2 other items out of $350. What are these items and how much change will he receive after buying these items? It is a tricky question. It's a very tricky question. Wow. What do you guys say? 2 hats would cost it. 2 hats and a pair of shorts. Remember that 2 hats is 1 hat is for $85. Right, guys? Let me see if I can do the math. Let me get my phone and help you out, guys. So you can give me the answer. If you don't get the answer, you can pass. 1 hat is for $85. 2 hats would equivalent to, okay, and a pair of shorts is $135. How much money is that from $350? Wow, this is challenging, very challenging. Now, if Tammy wants to buy a pair of sneakers and the pair of sneakers is for $160 and he wants to get 2 other items, so he perhaps wants to get the shirt and the ball. So Tammy wants to get 2 hats. Two hats and a pair of shorts would cost a lot of money. He would only have a small amount leave from that amount. Right, guys? And then he, on the other hand, want to buy a pair of sneakers and 2 other items. So the pair of sneakers is cost $160 and the other 2 items which I think Tammy will get is the shirt and the ball. So Tammy would run out of money if you guys look at it. So it is saying that hold on. All right, let's see. You pass? Who pass? Who is pass? Okay, Emma is pass. Jacob, how about you? You pass? Sorry, Malachi. It's not Jacob. It's Malachi. Do you pass, Malachi? Malachi said he's passed. So here what? That answer, I leave it for the audience. So, audience, this is for you. Tammy went to the store and saw these items for sale. A shirt is $105, A short is $135. A hat is $85. A football is for $95. And a sneakers is for $160. How much would Tammy pay for 2 caps and a pair of shorts? Second, Tammy wants to buy a pair of sneakers and 2 other items out of $350. What are these items and how much change will he receive after buying these items? I think the first one is easy. They are easy. Give it a try, guys. And this is for the audience. Now, one more. We are going to play one more game and then we call it a game over. Yeah, let's do this, guys. Let's play one more and then we call it a game over. Hold on. You guys ready? Okay. What is the value of 5,674 plus 238? What is the value of those numbers? Should I repeat? What is the value of 5,674 plus 238? What is the value? What is the value, guys? Welcome to the fourth person. How are you? Good night. We are playing a math game. We are close to the end of it. Here is the math question. What is the value of 5,674 plus 238? What is the value? I'm gonna try to see if I can work it out. Okay. Malachi said 5,912. Emma said 5,812. Let me see which one of you is correct. Guys, I'm using a book. So if you hear the page flipping, I'm using a book to ask the question. All right. Malachi, you are correct. 5,912. That is the value. Now, what is the value of 124 multiplied by 3? Okay. All right. All right. What is the value of 124 multiplied by 3? Emma says 372. You know, I'm gonna just get this calculator. You guys seems to be brighter than me. So let me get my calculator and do a little maths for myself. 124. Okay, Emma, I see you. You're correct. Yes, Emma, you are correct. You are correct, Emma. All right. So guys, I'm wrapping this up. This is the last one. You can use your calculator. I use the calculator and it is so correct. What is the value of 728 divided by 7? If you don't know it, it's okay. You can call it a pass and I will leave it for the audience. And my mosquitoes are biting at the moment. So let's see what you guys have. What is the value of 728 divided by 7? 728 divided by 7. Come on. Malachi, I'm not so sure about that number. That number seems bigger than what I calculated. Unless there's an error. Okay, Emma says 104. So, based on my calculation that I just do, and my answer sheet, 104 is accurate. So, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up right here. We can pick up from here tomorrow. All the maths brain, come on in and play this game, be a part of it. Let's guess. If you're wrong, that's all right. It's a learning process. You can use your calculator and you can just test your brain to see how well you are. I know some of us finished school long time ago, but nothing wrong if we challenge ourselves to see what we remember from school days. You can notify in the comments saying that you're not good at it. No one is going to bash you. No one is going to say anything out of the norm. We're here to learn and have fun. So guys, it was nice playing this maths game with all of you. I'm gonna put a little marker here so I can pick up where I left off tomorrow. And it was a pleasure being here. It takes forever for me to get this far. We can do this every night. If I got the chance to do it, if you're still awake, we can do it every night. Or we can do it like every Sunday, whichever one you guys choose. So thank you guys for coming over and join the family. Shout out to Joyful Julie. You were here and you have to run. We appreciate you being here and playing the game with us. Malachi, thank you very much. It's been ages and you're here to support your girl. Emma, thank you too. You're here to support your girl. The third person, thank you very much, even though you didn't participate, but you being here, giving your thumbs up and stay to sit and listen and watch your girl. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So guys, stay blessed and have a pleasant night.